Hi, ready to plan your move? Start collecting multiple moving quotes to compare, but what different costs are included in the moving quote? Here is the list of costs included in your moving quote. Hourly rate. Each moving company has fixed hourly rates. If moving time increases, extra charges will be added to the final moving cost. Hourly rates are higher during the night and weekends, and lower in the daytime and on weekdays. Base price, the fixed amount that you have to pay for the moving services that you avail. It is different from hourly rates. Truck fee, it is the cost of hiring a truck that is used for transporting the belongings. Better to book a moving truck via a moving company, instead of booking separately. Packing and packing supplies, usually cost of packing is included in full-service moving packages, offered by moving companies. But the cost of packing supplies is additional. You can buy packing supplies on your own. Some companies take per item charges, and some hourly charges for packing. Shuttle charges, some neighborhood restrict parking of moving truck, so you might need a shuttle to carry the belongings. Flight of stairs, moving out, or moving into the building with no elevator means extra effort and physical labor for the moving crew. Moving belongings via stairs adds extra charges. Large items, appliances, furniture, safes and more require special equipment for handling, so moving companies have to bring this equipment at an additional cost. Last-minute charges, changes in the date of the move, or adding an item to the shipment will add extra charges to your moving cost. Now that you have understood all the costs included in your moving quote, you can make it affordable on your terms. For an affordable and accurate moving quote, connect with Vanlines Move, and get your moving quote at vanlinesmove.com, or call 833-706-1800.